Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to update Windows Security Windows 11. We are going to enter security in the search box, open Windows Security. After this, go to the section Virus and Threat Protection. Here in the section Virus and Threat Protection Updates, you are going to click on the line Protection Updates. Press the button, check for updates, wait for the process to finish to see if there are updates or not. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.